All right, one of the questions I see quite often is, where do you get some of your ingredients? I mean, some of the ingredients, are they hard to get in Japan? And I got to tell you, back in the late 90s when I was here, it was pretty difficult to get some stuff. I was going through some deprivation. I couldn't get cheeses. I had to go all the way to Kobe just to get molasses. There was a little store over in Kobe that sold it. But now, this is 10 minutes walk from my house. This has been about 20-something other years now. Seijuishi is where I get a lot of my stuff. In fact, we're going to go inside. I'll show you some of the things I can get here. Now here's where I get my cheeses. We got cheddar, mozzarella, Gouda, Gruyere, Emmental. A good selection of cheeses that I can use in Kuma's kitchen. And over here, this is where I get my pasta and my sauces. If you look down below, well, that's where the salsa and taco sauce are. There's also a great selection of maple syrups here. Now, fortunately, these I can also get in my local grocery store. And then over here, well, down below here, big jar of blueberries. Guess what? That's coming up in a recipe real quick. And what about those things I can't get from Seijuishi, like this here, black beans. There's a whole bunch of them there. All right, I get that from Amazon. I can't just buy one can. It's actually really expensive that way, but a flat of 12, yeah, I get a good deal on that. And we're gonna eat them. So this is gonna be showing up in 3-bean summer salad coming to Kuma's kitchen soon. So yeah, there's still some things I can't get here in Japan, but more and more is becoming available on Amazon. So yeah, basically I can get everything I need.